Hi, good morning, and welcome to day one where we're going to go over some systems for Tech Lit. We're going to be looking at getting into our class notebook, which is an Office 365 feature, and that's Microsoft. So I'm here using Google Chrome. Google Chrome tends to be pretty good in our school district system, so encourage you to use Google Chrome. If you have any blocks, always go into your settings in your internet browser, whichever one you're using, or email me. Don't get hung up on something. Enjoy the nice weather this summer. Email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible and help you with your tech issues. So if your home screen for your Google Chrome is not your high school yet or the Bellingham School District website, go ahead and make it that, or go ahead and get there. So you can press pause on the video momentarily. But I'm going to go ahead and move forward, and we have these tabs up here at the top that we're going to be using a lot of to get to know how to navigate and communicate through the school district. So right here we have Skyward, which we're going to talk about later. And then right now we're going to look at Office 365. So Office 365, if you click there, that'll bring you into this screen, but most likely a sign-in page will have started for you. The Office 365 sign-in page should be the one that you use to log into your laptop if you're a Bellingham School District kid. So if you're on autosave for your password, you got right here. If not, you had to sign in one more time. If you don't have your credentials, email me and I'll dig those up for you. I have to get those from somebody else. So here we have everything. We're going to try and kind of go through all these just a little bit. As far as some other systems too, here's our email. It's called Outlook. Here's our OneDrive. We'll talk more about what that actually is, and then some of our other Microsoft systems. So we're going to be looking at a OneNote or a class notebook, and from here on out, it kind of looks a little different. So I'm going to skip a step or two, but you're just going to click on your class notebook. I get more of a teacher version. You just need to find your class notebook, which looks like this. It is called Tech Lit Summer School Greenwood. And so to get your OneNote set up, this is our browser version, and just momentarily I'm going to show you how to get to your desktop app version, which is a little bit easier to use. So really quick, trying to keep this simple and keep the video under 4 minutes. Here's our weekly agenda right here. And so with this weekly agenda, I'll put on what we're doing for the week. And so you can see where we have 4 main goals this week. We're trying to get through some of our systems we use. There's going to be a video link right here for each one. So you click on those, and then I will also have like a deliverable. And so a deliverable is what I'm expecting you to turn in. So that might be an email with some screenshots using the snipping tool. This week, next week, it might be submitting a PowerPoint, other things like that. And so we're going to explore some different things, not to just jump around, but to teach you how to navigate throughout the school district. So weekly agenda there. This week, you're going to go through the content library, which is going to get you through the syllabus, talk a little bit about communication office hours, and then some of your links will also be in another place here under technology system. So I try to place things in at least 2 places so you can find them. But if you ever have troubles, please let me know. So before I wrap up OneNote, I only got 22 seconds. Let's go over to our desktop. So here in the bottom left, we have these 4 squares. We also have that on our keyboard. So if we click that on our keyboard and we get our menu to come up, our startup menu, then we can type in OneNote. I think I like using this one. Let's try this. OneNote Windows for 10. There's 2 Windows OneNotes downloaded to your computer. Yeah, so the OneNote Windows for 10 is the updated one, and it's pretty user friendly. So like here, now I'm on my desktop apps. Now I have an icon on my taskbar at the bottom, and that's now I have all my different notebooks. So if I zoom out, go to my Tech Lit Summer one, I can go there like that. Again, if this is the first time you've ever used the desktop app version, I can't find it for some reason. You're going to have to sign in. So here's the notebooks, and then here when it says what notebook you're in, if you click on that, you can get the rest of your notebooks to show up. If you don't see one in bold font, then you come down here to more notebooks, and then you should get some here. So I'm having trouble viewing mine, I think, because I just published it. So still syncing. So you might have that issue here first thing this morning as well. So don't worry about that. So that's how you use OneNote. That's how you sign in. And then again, we have our sections here to navigate through, our pages, and then I will have hyperlinks embedded in there and everything else. So this is very similar to Google Moodle. This is very similar to somewhat if you've ever used Skyward to have assignments in there and stuff. So please navigate this as one of your assignments this week. Thanks for watching.